Hello, welcome back to another episode on the mini again. So, yep, but moving on from last time. As you remember, holes. As you can see, all this stuff's gone black now. Repaired that hole and that one when I had a little bit of time the other day. So I've got this one here to do. That one, there's one there, one there, one there, and one at the front. There's about 5 patches I need to do, and then yeah, so I'm going to get on with them, and I'm going to paint all of that hammerite red, and the back of the new sill as well red. Yeah, that's it really. Yeah, get on with it. Right, made all my little panels and so on up, just using some scrap metal. So they're all ready down there. So yeah, I've got the fan on. Without that, the dust and the fumes in it gets quite bad. So yeah, and get some welding done now. Do a time lapse of that and see what happens. Right then, so all the welding done. As usual, I forgot to do a time lapse because I'm busy getting everything ready. So I'm not the best welder in the world, but that's that patched up. That one done. Them two were the ones I did the other night. That bigger one there, plate there, and the end one. That's all of them holes patched up now. So I could have left them. Could have got away with just leaving them, but you couldn't really see them from the inside because there's like a black tar painted on the floor. So. But no, now I know it's solid, I know it's done properly. So what I'm going to do now is, like I said, some red paint all under there, so that's nice and protected for the future. And then I'll paint the inside of the new sill as well. I'll just scuff that up and give that a coat of paint. And then when I come to trim that down, I'll just clean where I need to weld. So all inside here will always be treated. So yeah, I'll paint that and then I'll show you what it looks like. Right, so that's all there. Thick coat of hammerite on there and the back of the new sill as well. So yeah, so in the next one, it's only a short one, this one. Sorry I forgot to time lapse the welding, but it's a similar process to how I did the rear valance. So in the next one, get this new sill trimmed and fitted, and then I'll tackle this A panel, taking that off. So yeah, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.